In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in the Notion app. If you use Notion on a desktop app or in a web browser, switching to dark mode is quick and easy. This can be especially helpful if you work at night, prefer a darker interface, or simply want to reduce eye strain while reading and writing. Notion gives you a couple of simple ways to make the change. So I'll walk you through both options clearly. The fastest method is to use a keyboard shortcut. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and L at the same time. On a Windows PC, press Ctrl, Shift, and L together. As soon as you use that shortcut, Notion will toggle between light mode and dark mode. If you ever want to switch back, you can use the same shortcut again. This is a great option if you want to change the appearance instantly without opening any menus. If you'd rather set dark mode manually through Notion settings, you can do that too. Start by looking to the top left corner of the Notion window. Click the sidebar menu, or click the down arrow next to your workspace name. This opens the main menu where you can access your settings. From there, select Settings or in some versions, Settings and Members. Once the Settings panel opens, go to My Settings. Then scroll down until you find the Appearance section. This is where Notion lets you control how the app looks. Open the drop-down menu in the Appearance area and choose Dark. As soon as you select it, the interface should update right away. You'll notice the background becomes dark and the text shifts to a lighter color, making the workspace easier to view in low-light environments. Here is also another useful option in that same drop-down menu called Use System Setting. If you choose that, Notion will automatically follow your computer's theme. So if your device changes between light mode during the day and dark mode at night, Notion will match it without you needing to adjust anything manually. That's a convenient choice if you like your apps to stay consistent with your overall system preferences. And that's all it takes to turn on dark mode in Notion. Whether you use the keyboard shortcut for speed or the settings menu for a more permanent preference, the process is simple and only takes a few seconds.